Manas here. Today we'll see how to uninstall the Windows Media Player from Windows 10. Let's start. Go to search button, then search for app settings. So you'll find settings for app. Then you have to go to app, click on the app, and you'll go to optional features. Here search for media player. Windows Media Player and see it here, and here is the uninstall button. Once you click on that, it will start uninstalling it. And now it is uninstalled. So if you search for Media Player and try to start it, it won't be there as it is uninstalled. And if you want to install it again, go to add features and then install the media player. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.